From Goose Valley Natural Foods. Today I'm going to teach you about the water to rice ratio when using a rice cooker. Different varieties of rice require different amounts of water to cook properly. For wild rice, for 1 cup of wild you want to use 2.5 cups of water. And the cook time is 45 to 55 minutes, unless you're using a quick cook wild rice, which is 25 to 35 minutes. For a brown rice blend, the water ratio is 2 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, and the cook time is 30 to 40 minutes. And for a white rice, the water ratio is 1.5 cups of water to 1 cup of rice, and the cook time is between 20 and 40 minutes. So cooking times may vary depending on the type of rice cooker you're using, so get to know your rice cooker. And I like to start by maybe using a 1/2 cup less of water to start. And because you can always add more water at the end, if you put too much water at the beginning, you'll be left with overcooked mushy rice. So by decreasing the water by a 1/2 cup, it's a good trick until the first few times that you're using a rice cooker to see how hot it runs.